Hey friends, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening our 180-degree box for April of 2023. I am having a bit of a rough week and this box always makes me feel better, so I was super happy when I saw it arrive on my doorstep this morning. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the box actually looks like. I love this box. I think it's so cute and it brings me so much joy. So I believe the theme for this month is confidence. Their Instagram only ever spoils 2 products. So I have an idea of what's in here, but I'm dying to see what else is in here. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. You have this super nice little pamphlet. So like I said, the theme for this is confident, and it gives all of the information about the products itself as well as some tips to boost confidence. So that is fantastic. And then next month's theme is radiance. So if you want to get this box, you have to order it by the 7th of the month. So unfortunately, this box is no longer available. I think if there are extras, it'll get added onto the shop. So if you want to subscribe, there is a link down below. But if you do subscribe, you will be getting May's box, which is radiance. So let's open this up. Right, so these are the products inside. The first thing I'm seeing in here is in this little foil bag. And every month you do get a bonus gift. I think it's always been jewelry, but I don't see a little red bag in here, so I'm guessing that it's this. Oh, this is so cute. This is a little keychain and it has a little dragonfly. That's so funny. The company that I work for professionally is actually a dragonfly. So that is kind of fun. And then it has a little tag that says, she believed she could, so she did. This is really, really cute. And then the other thing in here, is a little face scrubber. So on one side you have kind of these bristles and then you have kind of the silicone scrubbies. I love these. I think these are fantastic and my skin has been not very happy with me recently. So I think this would be really helpful for me. Then we have the Happy Lips Vanilla Bean Lip Balm and Mirror. This is interesting. So it snaps onto pop sockets, phones, laptops, and more, and it gives you a lip balm. How interesting. I haven't seen anything like this that is, I guess, more geared towards adults. I feel like I've seen some of these things that have like sparkly lip gloss on the inside, but I feel like this is actually really cute. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this, but I feel like this would be a really nice gift for someone. So I will definitely put that in my gift pile. Ooh, okay, then I'm seeing a wallet. Not the most incredible quality. This is what it looks like. It's a snakeskin wallet, so you can open the front here and then there's kind of like an easy access pocket, a piece of foam to protect it, a bunch of card slots, and then a spot for your ID, as well as cash pockets. And then there's a zippered pocket, more foam. And the whole thing is kind of this like pink mauve-y snakeskin. Honestly, this is not my favorite. It's kind of flimsy and I just don't really like wallets that are this size. So I actually don't think I'm gonna get too much use out of this. But it's something that I'll include in my gift box for people because I feel like this is something that could go a long way for somebody else. Ooh, is this a face mask? Oh no, this is just a jelly, plant-based konjac jelly, and it is in the flavor strawberry. It says it's only 5 calories. It is vegan, I can't speak, 0 sugar and gluten-free. I hope you can hear that. What a weird noise. And it is a plant-based konjac jelly. I don't even know what konjac is. I feel like I've said that before in another video. I know it is like a sponge and I think it's like exfoliating. So since it's resealable, let's go ahead and try it. I'm a little bit nervous. It's really delicious. It kind of tastes like a strawberry fruit snack and I really like that. I think the texture is just kind of throwing me off a little bit. But I actually really do like this, and I feel like if I put it in the fridge and keep it nice and cold, it would be really refreshing. So This is interesting. I've never tried anything like this, and I definitely like the taste of it, so I'm happy to have something new. Then this is one of the things that I did see spoiled. This is the Perfect Bloom by Prolux eyeshadow palette, and these are the colors that are in the palette. Oh wow, these are bright. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Those are some very fun colors. I am really excited about this. I don't know if I'm going to end up using any of these. I might put this in a box for a future giveaway because this is really fun and I love the colors. Like this blue color is so pretty, and the sparkle on these, yeah, these are really pretty. I just know I'm not gonna get enough use out of these, so I would love to give it to one of you. So that's pretty exciting. The other spoiler that I saw is this Nuria Hydrate Moisturizing Toner. Nuria supports women and girls globally to make a meaningful difference in their lives through education and philanthropic support. That's really cool. I love a company that gives back. Ooh, and then this is what the actual bottle looks like. It has mallow root, chamomile, aloe leaf, rose oil, and cucumber, and it is free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and ethanol. Awesome. We love clean beauty. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells very spa-like. I'm really excited about that. And you get 6.1 fluid ounces, so it's definitely a pretty decent size. Happy about that one. Ooh, okay. Then we have this cute little box. I have a hair here. This is a 28 wellness journey. Why did I say it like that? Journey. And this is the Let's Rewind Rejuvenating Nutritional Blend. This contains nutrients to support collagen formation for healthy skin and nails. Has collagen peptides, zinc, vitamin C and E, turmeric, and hyaluronic acid. Oh, and you get 60 capsules in here, so that's pretty awesome. All right, then we have the Essos Beauty, Essos, and this is the Hammam scented body spray, and this is bergamot and sandalwood. Those are two of my favorite scents. I know I'm going to love this. Ooh, this is cute. This is the NYC scent, so that's pretty cool. This is a nice bottle. It smells so good. Yes. I don't know if you can tell, but it literally just like all directly into one area. So it's a very pointed spray, which is not my favorite, but honestly, I'm happy about it. I love the scent. It smelled through the bottle. It's all over my feet, so that's cool. Ooh, okay. This is the Dermadeli Citrus Gold Oil, and there are actual gold flakes in here. That is really, really pretty. And this stimulates cells and enhances radiant skin. Okay, so it doesn't give me a ton of information. It looks like it has rosehip oil, mandarin, neroli, flower oil, and 24 karat gold. I can't really read the rest of it. It's kind of hard to read on here. And your girl has some not so great eyesight, so. But that's really interesting. I'm excited to see how this works. Ooh, definitely citrus. Definitely citrus. How fun. It's cool that there are gold flakes in here, but also I'm noticing they actually do come off. So then you'd have like gold on your face. Oh, it smells so good. I really like that. Okay. I love the smell of that. Okay, that's wonderful. And then the last thing I'm seeing in here is the self-care master plan. Maybe I shouldn't have put oil on my hands and then tried to open something. This looks to be, oh, it's just a little pamphlet. Okay. After you complete a master plan, you can tear away the cards to display them or keep them tucked away as reference for whenever needed. Cute. Okay, so then on the inside here, we have like things I like to do, people I like to see, and it has different prompts on the back for you. Power songs, my strengths, imaginary advisory board, taking care of my body, This is so cute. Okay, I actually really like this. And I like that this isn't like a full guided journal. It's just something you can pick up really easily when you need just like a little bit of self-care. So this is really awesome. I really like this. It's also super thick quality. Like you can tell the page is nice and thick. That's awesome. Okay, so this is really cool. Okay, so just to recap, we have the self-care master plan, the Dermadelli Citrus Gold Oil, the Esas Hammam New York Body Spray, the Complete Me Let's Rewind Hair Supplements, the Nuria Face Toner, the Perfect Bloom Palette, the Crocodile Embossed Wallet, the Happy Lips Lip Gloss, the Sweet Jelly Sea Strawberry Jelly Candy Snacky thing, and our free gift of the brush and this cute little keychain. So I feel like this is a lot of items. I feel like curation wise, this is pretty solid. I mean, 180 Degree Box every single month blows it out of the water. Yeah, I mean, I'm really interested to hear what you think. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. Are you a subscriber for 180 Degree Box? And if you aren't and you would like to, I have the link down below. There's always a coupon code right at the top of their website. So definitely go ahead and snag that. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.